The most incredible breakfast you've ever seen. Delicious and easy. For our recipe we'll need 5 loaves of bread. You can use the bread of your choice. With the help of a knife or your hands, I'll make a hole in the loaves. Let me know what city you're following this video from. I'd love to know how far our videos are getting and be able to send you a hug. Now let's grease our baking sheet. I'm using butter, but you can also use margarine. After greasing, place the loaves on the baking sheet. Now I'm going to use 5 eggs, put each one on each loaf. Add salt to taste. Depending on the size of your bread, you can add 2 eggs to each. Don't forget to rate this recipe from 0 to 10. That way I'll know how much you liked it. Add parsley to taste, put a little on each bun. The next ingredient is the bacon. I'm using sliced bacon, but you can also use diced bacon. I like to use it sliced, as it's easier to cut into the bread. Add grated or sliced cheese, the amount is totally up to taste too. Then add a little oregano to add that special flavor. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes our coffee is ready. This recipe is very tasty and easy to prepare. I'm sure that if you make it you won't regret it. Thank you to everyone who has watched us so far. Until the next recipe.